Hello everyone, today's video is just a quick recap on the Christmas party allowances for employers. Specifically, it's not necessarily a Christmas party though, it's an annual event. So this applies not just to Christmas parties, but to other annual events in the year. But most employers would have an annual Christmas do, so obviously it's very relevant at this time. You may not have had your Christmas party yet. You may be delaying it until January because of all the industrial rest. That's fine. But the basic rule is it's £150 per head. So that means that the cost of providing that event to your staff members, it's free of income tax and national insurance as far as they're concerned, and also there's no employer's national insurance for you. So that £150 per person also extends to partners should the staff choose to bring their partners to the events. Often very unlikely. It offers Christmas dues, but it can happen. But if that is the way that you do it, that's fine. You're also going to get the £150 per the partner of the staff member who attends as well. So the rules say this event has got to be open to all the employees. Now, let's say you've got multiple sites across the UK, but you only have, for whatever reason, only have Christmas parties in a handful or one of them. That's fine as well, as long as each site where their office is, that is again open to all of the employees, even though in other offices throughout the UK you may not be having Christmas dues. Doesn't necessarily have to be just one annual event. It can be more. It can be, you could have a summer social Christmas party. It could be numerous. It could be more than two. But the rules say that it can still be exempt as long as the combined cost per employee and partners, if applicable, is less than 150. So let's say you've got a summer ball and that costs £75 a head, and a Christmas do, that's £75 per head. Well, that's fine. So you're still hitting that 150 limit. So just something to consider there if you're an employer, if you haven't already had your Christmas party, or even if you have and you're not sure how to treat it from an accounts and tax point of view. Basically, the first £150 is exempt. However, I want to say the first 150 doesn't just mean that anything over that will then be taxable, because what happens is the whole lot becomes taxable. So make sure that you don't exceed that limit if you can. So as an example, let's say the cost per employee was £200. It's not as if you can say, well, 150 tax-free, then they've got to pay income tax on the 50. No, the whole thing would be a taxable benefit, would have to go on the P11D for the full 200. So try and get it to under that 150 if you can. But like I said, it does apply also to partners. So just an overview there on the Christmas party exemption. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do remember to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.